Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says how to use ga ebute. Ga ebute means we carry in as a verb in sentences. We are going to look into a topic, an Igbo verb that says ga ebute. When you hear ga, it means future tense. Ga ebute means we carry in. Let's start. Igbo English. Number one sentence says, Ọ ga-ebute okwute ahụ echi. Class, repeat after me. Ọ ga-ebute okwute ahụ echi. Meaning, he will carry in that stone tomorrow. Ọ ga-ebute okwute ahụ echi. He will carry in that stone tomorrow. Another one says, number two, Ọ ga-ebute ya n'ụgbọala ya. Or say that, class. Ọ ga-ebute ya n'ụgbọala ya. Remember, when we say ga-e, you can see that a here, ebute. This first alphabet A, when you hear ga-e, it means future tense. The reason why we put this dash here is because of these two vowels. To separate them from each other. That is ga-ebute, ọ ga-ebute, ọ ga-ebute. When you see ga-e or ga-a, it means future tense. If you hear ga, it means future tense in Igbo. Meaning, he will carry it in his car. Ọ ga-ebute ya n'ụgbọala ya. He will carry it in his car. The last sentence says, Ugomma ga-ebute oche. Ugomma ga-ebute oche. Meaning, Ugomma will carry in chair. Remember, ga-ebute means we carry in. It is our verb. At times, you will find out that we carry in. We write them together. At times, we separate them. Like here. Here, we wrote it together. He will carry in. You can see that they are together. No any other word between them. So, but here, he will carry it in his car. You can see that it is a word. It came before in. Because of how we make our sentence. That is how we are going to use our verb. Anytime you hear ga-ebute, ga-e or ga-a, it means future tense. So bear it in mind.